We're at another random building. Oh shoot, there's someone here. Look at all these. Got this Wild Weddix. It's from 2015, I believe. And it's train from February of 2013. What's the data sheet on this? April of 2013. And then we've got whatever the heck this thing is. It just says train. This is from March of 1989. Can you even believe it? Then it's Bryant. It's got a Copewood scroll compressor. I think this is from 2016. Yeah, this whole thing is running. It just shut off. June of 1999. A small train from September of 2004. Another train. Where the heck is the data sheet on this thing? Here it is. It's an XB13 from September of 2011. I think it might be more air connections. Exactly what it sounds like. This Killian from 2013. Another Killian. There's hardly any trains. Like, there's almost all Killians. 2020. It's only 2 years old. Also 2020. Also 2020. This one's running. Oh, this train XR just turned off. Let's get data. Hey, XR from December of 2019. Scalia from 2020. 2020. Another train XR. May of 2019.